Check it out, fellas. Got WH1 intercooled. I love Gbodies, fellas. This the first turbocharged Regal I seen in person. Absolutely amazing, fellas. Not gonna lie to you. T-top car. Very beautiful. Gotta love a Gbody, fellas. WH1. Very rare car. Very rare. See, it's got the Scan Master already in there. Digital gauges. Got the bread box in the center. I don't think this one's for sale, fellas. I wouldn't sell it. Check that out. 3.8 liter V6. She bad, fellas. Got the Camaro SS over there, convertible. One bad ride, fellas. Look at that interior. Just clean as she can be. Check out the Lincoln. This one not for sale. She bad though. Check out the interior. Bad ride, fellas. Another Lincoln. Gotta love the Continentals, fellas. I love this color. These cars I only dreamed of seeing.
I apologize.